yes we will. 'Cause these are the memories we'll keep. So hold on tight to every little thing. Don't let them pass you by in your sleep. So let's spend this time together. Because these
I, Austin, take you, Sarah, to be my wedded wife,
I, Sarah, take you, Austin, to be my wedded husband,
to have and to hold, from this day forward, for better, for worse,
for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish.
till death do us part, according to God's holy will. And I pledge to you my faithfulness.
And I pledge to you my faithfulness.
These are the best of our days. These are the best of our life days. So let's spend a little time together. Sweet as the sunshine, starting up the day.
So Austin, can you stand up for a minute? Can you come over here? Just want to hug you, buddy. I love you. Sarah and Austin, you make love so easy. So easy looking, you love each other, you can tell by the way you touch each other, the way you communicate with each other. Everything about it is just fantastic.
Little thing. Don't let them pass you by in your sleep. So let's spend this time together. Because these are the best of our days. These are the best of all our days.
In the beginning of your journey, you will have very sunny skies, smooth ride, but then again, when dark clouds are on the horizon, remember, either one of you can't get you jet through that storm alone. And communication is paramount. And also remember, you have resources to help you navigate through around the storm. And this corresponds to you guys and your married lives, friends and family, which will have you back.
Sarah, we love you. Austin, we can't thank you enough for making Sarah so happy. We couldn't imagine Sarah being with anyone else but you.
Let's raise our glass. Here's to you, Sarah and Austin. May you always remember to trust the timing of everything, because time will always lead you to where you are meant to be with each other. We wish you a lifetime of love and happiness. Cheers.
These are the best of our days. These are the best of our life days. So let's spend a little time together. So let's spend a little time together.